Hey YouTube, we're back with another one. Still working on the 21 Street Glide Special. Today we're going to be removing the Harley Davidson badge and we're going to be replacing it with a black and blue CVO badge. And we're going to show you how that's done today. Hit that like, comment, subscribe, tell us what you think about the video. Stay tuned. Now the first thing I'm going to do is mark with some blue painter's tape and mark where my badge is going back to, the new badge is going to go back to, so I don't lose my frame of reference where it's going. So I'm just going to put a piece of tape right there. And mark it so I know I hit all those points. Now the CVO is a little bit bigger, so I'm going to keep it posted right here, but it's going to go over about a 1/4 inch further this way. So what I'm just going to do is just mark these bottoms. So that I have a frame of reference of where it's going back to. Now the trick to getting these off, we're going to have to apply some heat to it. Because it has 3M tape on the back of them. So I have to heat them up. And you don't want to stay in one area too long, because you don't want to heat up your paint, make your paint bubble. Now I'm going to keep continuing to heat this up. I've been heating up for about 2 minutes now. And what I'm going to do is, I got some fishing rod string, like for a fishing pole, that I want to heat this up, and I'm going to stick it behind there to try to loosen the badge up so it can cut through the 3M tape that's behind it. So now that I've heated it up a little bit, we'll give it a go. Now it is a process, so you might have to do it a couple of times. So we're about halfway through there. I'm just gonna keep heating it up till I can get all the way through there. And I have I bought the thinnest gauge fishing line you could buy. I could have went a little bit bigger because it would have been a little bit stronger. So that's why I was breaking off on there, but no problem. That's why I doubled it up. And slowly but surely cutting through it. A little bit more on the right side. But it is a slow process, so just take your time. Don't try to get it all at one spot. Almost ready to come. Almost ready to give it to me. Again, you might want to, if you want to do yours, you might want to, I went with the old 0.9 gauge. You might want to go with a 30 seconds or something gauge, which is a little thicker, which would make it a little stronger. Almost there. Let me heat it up a little bit more. Whatever you do, you don't want to stick nothing back there and pry it off, because then you could damage the paint behind it. And that's what I don't want to do. So just take your time and just keep heating it until it comes. Don't try to grab too much at one time. Just like fishing, take your time. It'll come. weekend I don't fish. There we go. And there she goes. Now I know you're thinking how I get that off. The leftover sticker in here. So what I'm going to do is take some Goo Gone and a rag and gently work it out. Okay, so now that I've prepped my area, just so nothing drips on down to my motor, I'm gonna heat it up a little bit more. To get it tacky. I'm gonna take some Goo Gone and spray it on the rag. And slowly work it out. Now this isn't going to be a fast process, but it is going to get it done. I've been trying different things, is denatured alcohol on a rag. Just put a little bit on the rag and just rub away. And it slowly breaks it down. Like I said, it's not a fast process, and it's also cleaning behind what's left over, so you don't need much on there, but it is working. So it's just a process. Just take your time. keep working it. Okay, so after I got all the glue off, got it all cleaned up like I wanted to, I took some blue painter's tape and masked off where I was going to put the CVO sign at, which is the same spot it was at, the other badge was at. And I'm going to take some denatured alcohol and just clean the surface with denatured alcohol to ensure that I get a good bond with the 3M tape, double-sided tape. Now I've properly attached double-sided 3M tape to the back of my sign, my badge, and now I have to take off the red sides so it can stick to the tank. Okay, I got the tape off and ready to install. I know my surface is clean. Just follow my guideline. And I only got one shot, so very careful. Line it up. There it goes. She's on there. Goes. We gotta repeat the same on the other side. So there she goes, all back together. Got that CVO badge matching the blue stripe on the bike. I think that draws the bike in real nice. Got the back all cleaned up with the Syro CVO style lights, license plate frame, turn signals integrated. Tell me what you guys think. 21 Street Glide special. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. Hit that share button, subscribe. Thanks again for watching.